What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about BeeTv. I know recently Showbox went down, doesn't work. People are freaking out. They're like, oh man, Showbox was one of the original OG APKs to watch movies and TV shows. But I'm going to be honest with you people. Once a door closes, there's other doors that will open. And we're going to talk about BeeTv. This is a new kid on the block, okay? It seems pretty legit and pretty good. I mean, I mess with different APKs for movies and TV shows, as you can tell. But BeeTv, I find it's a pretty good new APK that's out there. And what's the best part? I have an ad-free version and the original version for you guys on my channel's APK store. But enough talking. Let me show you how this works and how it looks. We're going to open up BeeTv. Okay, give it a second. One thing I did notice, okay, let me hit, yeah, this is just telling you about the Facebook. You could join their join them on Facebook, but we're gonna cancel that. Now, I honestly believe it. I'll be real with you. This kind of gives me a feel of TTV mixed with another APK that I can't put my finger onto it, but it looks like a crossbreed or a hybrid of two APKs that these guys that developed this um, merged two together, and it works pretty well though. Don't get me wrong about that. It works pretty well. But the ad-free version I have is done by Finder. Really good modder. He got this so you can have ad-free. But as you see here, it opens up where you have your TV shows, okay? And I like this interface. It's pretty clean. You know, I know it's not like Showbox that some people say they just can't get over it. I talked to a couple people at work, and I'll be honest with you, you just gotta, you know, one, like I said, get with the times. Once one closes, you're gonna have hundreds of APKs open up. You just gotta, you know, I know a lot of people get familiarized with one because it's so easy to use, but you never know. Give this a try, you might like it. But anyways, we're gonna hit that, and then you see how here you got your categories for different TV shows. Okay. The one thing I did notice is it will be, I know they're going to update soon because there is a little like for example, when you click this, you could barely see on the the highlight. It's like almost super transparent. You know what I mean? You have to like kind of squint your eyes in a sense. But to show you how the TV shows work, you click into it, okay? And you can hit season, and you see how you can hit the star. It also saves it as your ad. See, like I told you, I don't know, it's really bothering me now that this is kind of reminding me of TTV mixed with with Cyberflix and something else. If you guys have opinions about it, just leave the comments down below. But you hit the seasons, okay? You hit the season 9. Here goes your episodes, okay? You see there, it goes pretty much all of, it keeps going. But ones that are already aired, you see how it's there? You click that, give it a couple seconds, okay? And I'll be honest with you, I see a cast emblem. I don't know if it works. You know what I mean? I haven't tried it on my mobile yet to cast it. But to be honest with you, I don't do a lot of casting from my phone. I just put it on my Fire Stick or one of my boxes and I watch a TV show. You know. But the one thing I did notice, as you see right now, you see how it takes a little bit to pull up links. That's the one thing that I think the reason why I said that they're going to do updates, because it does take a little bit to pull up links. So you just have to have a little patience. But remember, this is a new APK. And honestly, the reason why I said it replaces Showbox is because this actually came out right or the same day when Showbox was acting up or went offline. Okay. Now, all you do from this point, you click a link and you see the same thing. You just hit play, and now I know where the other one, Cyberflix. Yes, this is like a Cyberflix TTV mixed together. I didn't notice that. So Remember I told you?
Previously
There you go.
on the walking.
That was pretty loud. But see what I mean? It takes a little bit to come up. You know what I mean? But okay, let me back out of there. Okay. But also it has where you can see all also, and it's pretty good APK. You know what I mean? And I mean, I got to get used to it. It's not my go-to yet, but it seems pretty legit. All right, now movies, same deal. You go into the movies. You just, from this point, you hit play. You see that how I highlighted that play button? Hit that, and then it plays the movie. You know, or it plays it, so it pulls up the link. And once the link comes up, you're gonna click it and then hit play, and then it'll start the movie. Okay. Let me back out of that, and then like I said, you can click the start to save it for later. Go back here, and one thing I just want to show you guys too. Okay, you see how? Oh, show you real quick before I continue. Go into movies, TV shows. Yeah, see. Yep. All right. See, that's the other thing I wanted to show you. You see how I highlighted those movies, and it says to the watch list. You notice how it's not in there? I just wanted to show you, okay? That's why it's not there yet, but I think with a little tweaking, these guys will make a BeeTv really great, okay? Now, let me go into settings. You have your real dbred login. You have your Track TV login, okay? And you could log into that as well. Open subtitles. But you know, for 1 out of 10, I give this like an 8, to be honest with you. It does have its glitches, as in it doesn't load up right away the links, and also it doesn't load up the links right away, and also when you save it, for some reason it does not show on here. Okay, but to be honest with you, I would just log into Track TV, and it'll keep track like that, or the other one. I'll be honest with you. Or you could just hit recent, and this will come up. Okay? But let me show you how you get this now. Let me back out, hit OK. All right. Now, if you don't have file link, I have links down below of showing you how to get it, as well as how to use it and set it up. But if you guys already have it and you downloaded it and ready to go, we're just going to open it up, and you're going to enter in my channel's APK store code, which is 645-39676. Now hit continue, and like I said, I have the ad-free version, which is modified by Finder, and I have the original version. You see on the top here, BeeTv 201 ad-free, BeeTv 201 the original. Okay, so all you do from this point is you click that download button, let it download. Okay, once it's download, that download button is going to change to a play button. You're going to hit that play button, and all you do from this point is hit install. Once it is finished installing, it's going to say done and open, and you're ready to go. Okay, let me back out of this, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share my video, as well as my channel. Okay, and also check me out on Facebook. I have a support group on there. Links are down below. You're more than welcome to join, and we could conversate. How, you know, if you have issues with anything, I'll try my best to help you out, as well as there's people on there that are very helpful and friendly as well. And also check me out on Twitter. I'm new to Twitter, so you know, you guys gotta, give me a break. But I'm trying my best to familiarize myself with Twitter. But check me out on there too. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great evening.